Guys, you welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ogboro. So if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome to my space and you welcome to the family. And to all my old subscribers, guys, you guys are amazing. You know how they do it. It's all about skincare. It's skincare season this season. I don't know, I'm excited about this skincare season. I think I'm going to be doing more of it. I don't know, but for now, today we are going to be reviewing another lotion that I have used, I'm still using precisely. So today we are going to be reviewing the Lumine. Yeah, this is Lumine or Lumine. It's Lumine Gold. This Lumine Gold is extra whitening 10 days. You know, when I saw this 10 days, I was like, hey, I don't want that kind of lotion. But when I actually got this lotion, I realized that this lotion does not lighten as that. It's not. See, at times they write 10 days and all this thing in some things doesn't mean that it's good. It's going to lighten you 10 days. Please, if it actually lighten you 10 days, please run away. Run. This whitening, they said extra whitening. It's not extra lightening. It's not extra whitening anything. It's just a normal lotion. It's actually good. It can give you a shade 2 shade lighter. So this lotion is it has kojic acid, ascorbic acid, collagen, frankincense oil, and is highly recommended for damaged skin. You have stretch marks, sunburn, and this product contains natural brightening and tuning and healing agent. That's what is written here. What I realized about this lotion is that it actually works for stretch mark. If you have stretch mark and you are using this lotion, over time it's going to fade it, you know, make it and fade it, at least make it better, you know, not like clear it, but it's going to make it better, and the appearance is going to come a bit better than it was before. And this lotion actually is good for people with damaged skin, people that have this skin that are looking like old skin, because it's going to hydrate your skin. It is going to make you actually firm your skin. It's for people that their skin is a bit saggy and all that. And I actually got it because of the collagen. The collagen in this lotion is one of the reasons I got it, because I needed lotion that has collagen, because collagen is good for firming. It just firms your skin and makes your a bit of stretchy and makes it bouncy. So that is why I bought this lotion, not only for the lightening effect, but it actually lightens me just a shade lighter. I can't say that it really lightens me, but it is actually a very good lotion. And for the fact that it has kojic acid, we know that kojic acid actually lightens you, and with vitamin C, and can you say frankincense is actually good for your skin. So with the combination and everything, this actually did what it meant to do for my skin. My skin became better, and the stretch mark, I have a lot of stretch mark. I'm naturally like that. Since I was a child, I have stretch mark. So I just didn't like it. So I normally, that's why I'm very peculiar about the lotions I use, the things I put into my skin, because I don't want anything to damage my skin, because I already know that my skin is just like a baby's skin. I don't want anything that can damage my skin, and this lotion actually did a lot for me. So if you are suffering from black spots, you having problem because you are dark, you want to go a shade lighter than your skin or 2 shade lighter, see what this thing is going to do for you. It is going to take you back to your natural color. So there are people that they were a bit lighter before, maybe because of sun, exposure to sun, and lack of care. They don't know what to use, using different things on their skin, and as time goes on, they became like darker. So what this lotion is going to do for you is that it's going to take you back to your normal color, take you away from the color you are now. But if you are already light like me and you are using it, expect to get lighter. That is what I'm trying to say to you. So this product is actually good, so, and it's going to help you because of the vitamin C, kojic acid, frankincense oil, and it has collagen in it. So this is a wonder. They have other lines, other ones, and they have the carrot. The people that make this lotion is actually the people that make the company. They also make the Egyptian lotion. Yeah. So this lotion is actually good. So if you are planning to get the Lumine or Lumine Gold lotion, please do. It's a good lotion. And if you are not so sure, you can go see your dermatologist, like I always say to you. This is my honest review about this Lumine Gold whitening lotion. It's good, I love it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Bye guys.